Good morning, children. Welcome back to our online classes by Little Scholars Public School. This is Shilpa Patil here, and today we are going to see our social studies fifth chapter, Go Green. This is our third video. Children, from this chapter we are going to learn how we can save the earth. In the previous video, as we have seen how the carry bags are make the city drains blocked, and also it affects on the fertility of soil and also in on our life, not only of ours but animals also. So children, our motto should be reduce, repair, reuse and recycle. Reduce use of water. Turn off the tap while brushing your teeth. As every day you are using water for many purposes, but from that also we can reduce little bit water use of water, as like brushing our teeth. Also we can off the tap if it is not necessary. We can reduce use of electricity. Children, if you are the last person which is coming out of the room, so it is our duty to switch off lights and fans when you leave the room. Reduce use of paper. Many of the times we are just wasting the papers, but children, remember, trees are cut down to make paper. Do you know, children? One tree is, if it is cutting down, then 12,000 papers it can give us. So children, trees are cutting down for making these papers. So it is our duty to reduce the use of paper. Also, we can reduce the use of private vehicles. Children, I know that everybody likes to drive the vehicle, but if everybody wants like that, that way our pollution also will be too much high, and whatever fuel we are using in that, that also will be over very soon. That way we can, if it possible, we can go by the buses, trains, likewise public vehicles. Do not litter. Whatever garbage we are throwing, it should be throw in the dustbin only. And if it is not possible, we have to pick litter whenever and wherever it possible. This should be in act. We have to pick it up. Repair the things, repair clothes, bags, socks, toys, etc. The things, if it is torn, we can repair it, we can sew it. Also the clothes, bags or our socks, our toys, that way we can use it for a long time. Do not discard items that can be repaired. If the item, it can be repaired, do not discard it. Don't throw it. We can fix the broken things like this. We can fix the broken things instead of throwing them away. Like this, we can use it by fixing the things and can use for a long time. Children, it's time for reuse. Reuse bags, packaging material, unused notebooks, small pencils, clothes which belonging to your elder siblings. Also, many of the times these kinds of things we are wasting. If it is little bit broken also, then also we can reuse it. How we can reuse it? See, the drinking glasses or gifts or the money box also we can make from it, lantern also, vase also we can make from it, or the holders from it we can make. That way we can reuse the things which we can be useful for a long time. Children, this is the most important thing. In the previous video also I said that do not use carry bags. We have to use only cloth and paper bags. Clothes bags are very much useful and long life. So that way we have to prefer only cloth bags, or if it is not possible, we can use paper bags. Recycle the things. Recycle plastics, bottles, cans, newspaper or used clothes. We can recycle these things. Have 3 dustbins at home. At least we have to keep 3 dustbins at home. Separate garbage into wet waste like the vegetables and fruit peels and food items. We can throw it or keep it in a separate or wet waste like, and dry waste like paper, cardboard, etc. These things we can keep in a separate dustbin. In the third dustbin, we have to keep plastic waste. Whatever waste or broken things, plastic broken things are there, that we can keep in the separate dustbin. That way at least 2 bins we have to keep at our home, like the dry and the wet. If you are using these kinds of dustbins, that will go very easy for us to dispose it. This is our green plate, children. As a green soldier, I promise to do my best to keep Mother Earth safe and beautiful. I will not litter the earth and will remember to reduce, reuse, repair and recycle. I will plant more trees and help in making Mother Earth cleaner and greener. So children, the very best thing is we have to plant more and more trees. At least you can pledge the thing that on your birthday you can plant at least 1 tree. That way children, many plants you can be plant. So children, from this video we have learnt that at least 2 dustbins we have to keep at home and separate the garbage. I hope all of you understand this video, children. Thank you very much for watching it.